Okay, another example. 4 friends share 6 granola bars equally. How many granola bars does each friend get? Okay, so in this case, we're going to divide 6 by 4. Okay, 6 divided by 4. Step number 1, draw lines to divide each of the 6 bars into fourths. Each friend's share of 1 granola bar is, so, okay, the first step will be to divide each granola bar into fourths. Okay, so we need to do the same thing for all of them. Divide each of them into fourths. Okay, then to find the answer for this, how many pieces of granola bar will each friend get from this one? Okay, so the answer to that would be, of course, 1 piece. So 1/4. Okay. Step number 2, count the number of fourths each friend gets. Since there are 6 granola bars each friend will get, so 1 from this, plus 1 more is 2, plus 1 more is 3, plus 1 more is 4, plus 1 is 5, and plus 1 from this granola bar equals 6. Okay, of the fourths, or 6/4. Okay, and step number 3 would be to complete the number sentence. Write the fraction as a mixed number in simplest form. So 6 divided by 4 is the same as writing 6/4, or 1 1/2. Okay, why 1 1/2? Because we need to change it into a division problem. What number times 4 equals 6? So we're moving closer to 6 without going over? 1. Okay, 1 times 4 is 4. 6 divided by 4 equals 2. So 1 is my whole number. 2/4 would be my 1/2, because we can simplify this fraction into 1/2. So that's why the answer would be 1 1/2. Then we check. Okay, since 6/4 or 1 1/2, okay, times 4 equals 6, the quotient is correct. So each friend will get 1 1/2 granola bars. Okay, or 6/4, however you want to write it. All right? Okay. Next example. Miss Ruiz has a piece of string that is 125 inches long. For a science experiment, she divides the string equally among 8 groups of students. How much string will each group get? You can represent this problem as a division equation or a fraction. Okay, either or, division equation or a fraction. So we can write this as 125 divided by 8, or we can write this as a fraction and then simplify. Okay, so 125 divided by 8. Okay, 8 times 1 equals 8. 12 divided by 8 equals 4. Bring the 5 down. Okay, what number times 8 equals 45, or brings me closer to 45? The answer is 5, because 8 times 5 equals 40. 45 minus 40 equals 5. Okay, so the quotient is my whole number, my remainder is my numerator, and the divisor is my denominator. Okay, so the answer is 15 5/8. Okay, which is the same here, 15 5/8. Okay, so each group will get 15 5/8. All right, so why 125 divided by 8 is the same as 125/8? Because both equations represent the same problem. We're dividing this number by 8, and we're also dividing this